Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix lock and home screen wallpaper disappearing issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds. And restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update your iOS version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. You can see appears on screen. Wait 5 to 10 seconds and check update app. You can see appears on screen. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is set the wallpaper correctly. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on wallpaper. You can see appears on screen. Change wallpaper. Tap on done and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is save battery life disabled. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on battery. You can see appears on screen low power mode toggle on. Tap on continue and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check for instructions. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on screen time. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on content and privacy instructions. You can see appears on screen. Content and privacy instructions toggle on. And problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix lock and home screen wallpaper disappearing issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.